National Weather Service in Aberdeen has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Western Day County in northeastern South Dakota, southeastern Brown County in northeastern South Dakota, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Groton, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near and over around 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Bristol around 9:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Butler and Holmquist. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Aberdeen. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for northeastern South Dakota. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in South Dakota: Brown and Day,